all our bastards. I don't eat breakfast, but if I did then I'd probably have rappers. Well, if my head serves me well, I must be the fresh central belt net from hell. Scotland's answer to Keenan and Kel, except it's me, myself, Milk White with a seed in hell. Weird people stare cause I'm fucking off my tits. I chase cunts out pubs to the Tom compliments. SpongeBob, that's me, just square pants. Turning up at gigs in a square dance with dynamite and a light tied inside of my sweatpants. Walking up the fellow rappers like, hey, let's dance. This summer, straight jackets by Dolce & Gabbana, deadpan sick rapper, pish pins, big dicks all on digital camera. Brains make a bandana's brain scar, will accidentally break a sampler. Must have mistaken it for a family site for a bad karma. Banner like the Paris, bipolar bells, two for the price of one. Smile at the sun as she shines like a light bulb. I wanna be as clear as prepubescent spermicide fluid. My music isn't aimed at kids, sniper rifle is. My crew's tighter than any of this shit that China Travis Pickle pass a lighter. Fast step, attached to a glass jaw and a brass neck. You know the shit, a pogo stick couldn't put a spring in my step. Finger puppets on the right while I swing left. The king steps, I spring up the right wing, snorting ting off the sidelines. For a dinner ticket to distract the challengers and then hang the ref. When you go off on that stretcher, bring the rest. Throwing fingers at the worst, nigger at the best. Glasgow City ringing in my chest, being represent. If you miss a breath, become within a sec of a little of the old imminent death. Then you get the text. Boombastic, boom bap, pure spastic in a durag who looks at geeks like a middle class fam looks at pure tramps. Fuck two guys, your crew couldn't shoot crack. For each time I walk faster, 21 fags half halving, pass it to gasp. Man, I'm my own smack, all the plans to blow answer to rap. Coming at me is about as daft as me asking my ma for a tap. That's that, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, now explode backpack. Stop rappers, why you not embarrassed? Run like the clappers, bunch of bastards. Who's millennial folk in a dust? Too many noses to bust. I represent local cunts, snorting coke in a church. Yes, extreme gonzo lyricist, fresh in the scene.